Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to open Canva design to Word document. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys must have to know that there is no any built-in option to convert the Canva design into the Microsoft Word document, but we can do something different from it. So we have to first convert it from into PDF and then we can convert into Word. So in order to convert the first document Canva template into PDF, you guys have to simply make a design and edit it. So after completely editing, you guys have to simply go to this share section. So after heading over to share section, now you guys have to just simply scroll down until you find an option which is download. You guys have to simply click on it and a drop down menu will appear. So in this menu, you guys have to just simply click on this file type and click on PDF standard. Now you guys can see it is by default PDF standard. You guys have to simply select it. So after selecting that, you guys have to just simply click on this download button. So it will start downloading your Canva design into PDF. Now what we have to do is we have to simply convert it from PDF to Word. So in order to convert it from PDF to Word, there are two options. The first option is you guys have to just simply open the Microsoft Word and import this file. So after importing the file, you guys can make it edit into Word and you guys can save into Word. So if you don't have Microsoft Word, I have another method for you. So you guys have to just simply open up any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, here you guys have to just simply search for PDF to Word. So here you have to just search for PDF to Word. So after searching for PDF to Word, now you guys have to just simply open up the website, which is I love PDF. You have to just simply open up this website. So after opening up this website, you guys have to just simply click on this red button to select the PDF file. So after clicking on that, it will open up the your PC local files. So in the local files, you guys have to just simply open up the design which you have downloaded from Canva, and it is PDF file. You guys have to simply select this file. So after selecting this file, you guys have to just simply wait for a while and it will convert into Word. You guys have to just simply click on this convert to Word icon and it will take some time and converting the PDF file into Word. And now you guys can see our file has been converted into editable Word document. You guys have to just simply select this download Word option. So after selecting that option, it will take some time and you guys can be able to see our Word or document of that Canva template has been created. Now you guys have to just simply open it and you guys can see PDF. Our Canva template has converted into Word and you guys can use it anywhere you want. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.